Here I'm at work and there's a truck on fire. Check this out. That's a Ranger, man. That's raging. Something's going boom. Those guys are crazy for getting that close to that truck, man. Holy shit. Hope you don't have propane in there, no. Look at this. Ain't that bitch. That's a Ranger, man. Yeah, get your car out of there. It's gonna blow up. Man. Look at that. That is unreal. And that guy's getting shit out of there. It's crazy. I wonder if anything's gonna blow. Look at that. Home Depot parking lot. Ford F-150 4x4. Ooh, something just blew. I'm gonna get behind this van. You know, I wish my car was parked next to it. I don't think that's gonna be enough, pal. All kinds of stuff's popping. No. Yeah, that's burning.
I was gonna go over and help.
That guy's crazy pulling shit out of there, man. Ain't nothing in that truck worth it. Look at that.
That's good.
Hope you don't have any propane in there or anything.
About, pull that back, pull that back.
Here comes the fire department. Man, look at that fire coming out of that thing. He's got a gas can. Ooh, I hope he has full coverage. Look at that. Damn. Oh, it's raging. It's raging. I can feel the heat over here. Wonder how far the gas tank is. Ooh, another bang. All kinds of stuff's popping and crackling now.
That's some nuisance, man.
Look at that. That's raging. I can feel the heat. You feel the heat, right? Wow. That just goes to show you how fast the car burns. Like if you were in an accident, you got knocked out for a minute, you'd be fried. Look at all that smoke. It's gonna pop again soon. It's going on YouTube. Wow. Look at that. Paint on the roof's already bubbled. Burn off. Where the hell's the fire truck? I hear stuff popping. Man, look at that. That is unreal. Stuff's popping and banging. Oh, there goes the fire truck. He just left. Oh, wait, he's coming back. Man, look at that smoke. That's because it's so windy too, but here it comes. Looks like the devil coming after you, don't it? Wow, the back windows blew up. Something just blew. Something big just blew. Police are telling us to back up. Ooh, another big boom. Something's burning, see it? It's got to be the airbags.
Yeah.
Because something's fueling that fire right now.
Maybe it's a Ford.
Yeah. You know, they don't realize how fast that thing went up. You know, if you got in an accident, you got knocked out for a minute, you would have been overcome by the smoke and you would have been cooked.
Yeah.
See that? Ooh, what the hell's that? A battery. That's the battery. You should hurry. Yeah, hurry up. Turn on the water, man. I'm gonna go around here. It's a dangerous job being a fireman. You don't realize it till you see this, right?
Oh, yeah.
Give those guys lots of respect. So look at that. Something's fueling that fire.
What a plastic.
Yeah. Ooh. And he didn't even flinch. It blew up right next to him. He didn't even flinch. Where'd it go? I lost it. There it is. There we go. As a police officer, I can't believe that last explosion. He didn't even flinch. Give them guys lots of credit, man. You don't realize until you see it up close. Man, that thing went up quick. And the guy was getting all kinds of stuff out of it. They are some heroes, boy. They're the heroes. This is a truck fire. Imagine buildings and stuff. Man. All right. That's it.